Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Law and Crime. I'm Jesse Weber, joined here on set by attorney Jessica Ramirez. We're breaking down the biggest trials and legal stories in the country today. A bunch of things to get started with, so let's get started right now. First up, we're going to be planning on covering a new trial here on the network. Today is day 2 of jury selection in the case of Michael Draka out of Florida. He's charged with first-degree manslaughter with a firearm for allegedly shooting to death 29-year-old Marquise McLaughlin outside of a convenience store back on July 19th, 2018, an incident that was all captured on surveillance footage. The main question is, well, what's the defense? Well, that would be self-defense. According to Draka, he had an altercation with McLaughlin, resulted in McLaughlin pushing him to the floor. That's when the defendant took out his gun and shot him. Now, this trial, we believe, will most likely be a battle of the experts to determine if this was, in fact, a case of legal self-defense. And as we know, because we followed a bunch of these cases here on the network, those trials are extremely interesting to follow. We'll let you know we have more on that. Up next, jury selection also begins today in another self-defense case, but this one's out of Tennessee. 25-year-old Sean Foley is accused of gunning down 44-year-old Jimmy Shelton after Foley claims he confronted Shelton about allegedly molesting his girlfriend. He says that Shelton attacked him, at which point Foley had no choice but to use deadly force. Prosecutors have disagreed with this version of events, and they've charged the defendant with 1 count of first-degree murder.